Okay, so hello guys. In this video, we will talk about adding CSS to HTML page, how we can use the CSS in HTML. So there are the three ways uh, to adding the CSS. First is inline, and second is internal, and third is external CSS. So let's get started. So first we go to here, open the VS Code. Okay, and here I'm create one file demo.html. So you just create any file name here. I'm just taking a demo.html, and now here I'm taking a just simple uh, basic code of HTML. So just write an exclamation mark and hit enter, and your basic code is comes. Now now I'm take here any text uh, has to tag, and inside has to a tag I write something like welcome welcome to CSS tutorial. Okay, and save it. Now I want to check this text is display or not. So I'm just go to here and reload this. As you can see this, welcome to CSS. Text it comes. Okay. Now it's working fine. Now I want to use here inline CSS. First is inline. So just here type here a style and which property you want to use. So write here here like I want to give the some color like color red, and I want this text in a center. So just take a uh, text align center. Okay. Now color is red. This is the text color and text align in center. So now I'm go to here and check it. So as you can see this, welcome to CSS in comes in a uh, center and with red color. So this is the inline CSS. Now I'm take another paragraph tag. So tag like something I'm take here a paragraph and I'm take care of use lower. So some text which comes here. Now I want to use on this text some internal CSS. So I just write here a style. Okay, on paragraph p tag. I want to apply this property color blue, font size 20 pixel, font family, Times New Roman, and background color. I want to give background color yellow. So give the background color. Now I'm just to go to here and check this is applied. So as you can see this uh, background color is comes yellow and some lower M text it comes here. Okay, so this is the internal CSS and this is the inline CSS. And now third is external CSS. So I'm taking here I just remove this external CSS, sorry, internal CSS. Okay, now you can check this paragraph comes in a normal. So I just want to apply it some property CSS property on this by using the external CSS. So for external CSS, you just go to here and you need to create a one file. So I just create a style dot CSS. You can take any name of file. So I just take a style and first of all you need to take a universal selector here and just remove this margin padding 0 because some tag are contain the margin padding, so that's why it's a good practice to first take the zero margin padding. And after apply this, I want to apply it on paragraph some property. Font size 20 pixel, font family, font weight, and color, and text align center, and margin top, and the background color also. Which background color? Aqua. Okay. And I want also text color red. Okay. Now, this property I want to use on a paragraph, on this paragraph, but this property is not work right now because, okay, as you can see this, that property did not work because, why? Because we are not add here this file. So we need to add here a style.css. So just take a link real rel, and it's a relationship, and href you need to take a give the link or file name. So here we are create a file. So just give the file name here. Style dot suggestion is comes already. So here I'm define the uh, this file. Okay. So now this file is connected on HTML. So now it's working. So I need to just check here. I'm going to here and just reload. As you can see, this background color is comes, and this text, lorem text is comes here. So like this, you can use a external CSS. So now question is arise here. There are the three CSS inline, internal, and external. Which CSS is best to use? So most of the cases we are use the external CSS by creating a another file, and then use this that file. So this is the best way. Okay. So I hope you mm, understand uh, these things. Okay. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe channel. Thanks for watching the video.